Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common troubleshooting topic for Vizio TV owners, how to restart your Vizio TV using just your remote control. Whether you're dealing with a frozen screen, app issues, or just need a quick reset, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Scene. Preparation. First things first, grab your Vizio TV remote. Make sure you're within range of your TV and let's proceed to the next step. Scene. Locating the buttons. On your Vizio remote, look for the buttons labeled Menu and Power. These are the key buttons we'll be using to perform the restart. Scene. Performing the restart. To restart your Vizio TV, follow these simple steps. Press the menu button, locate the menu button on your remote and press it to bring up the TV's menu. Navigate to System. Using the arrow keys on your remote, navigate to the System option in the menu. This is usually found towards the bottom of the list. Select Reset Amp Admin. Once in the System menu, scroll down to Reset Amp Admin. This is where you'll find the option to restart your TV. Choose Soft Power Cycle in the Reset Amp Admin menu. Select Soft Power Cycle. This option allows you to restart your TV without losing your settings and preferences. Confirm Restart. Finally, confirm the restart by selecting OK. Your TV will then begin the restart process. Scene. Waiting for restart. Your Vizio TV will now go through the restart sequence. This usually takes a few moments. Once it's done, your TV should be back to normal operation, and any minor glitches should be resolved. Scene. Additional tips. If your remote doesn't have a menu button, you can often use the input and volume down buttons together to achieve a similar restart process. Check your Vizio TV manual for specific instructions if needed. Conclusion. And there you have it. Restarting your Vizio TV using just the remote is quick and easy, helping you get back to enjoying your favorite shows without hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.